Those are potato patch fries, sent from the heavens above and landed in a steel milling Pittsburgh suburb, West Mifflin, more specifically, Kennywood Park. Opened in 1896, Kennywood has grown from a picnic grove to escape the bustling city to a thrill park home to over 50 rides and attractions. In the midst of rapid development in the mid-20th century, Kennywood debuted the potato patch. The fry stand would offer various toppings including cheese, bacon, and even poutine gravy. The origin of cheese fries is widely unknown. Many claim to have come up with it. Thanks to a Yinzer website and my multiple consumptions of the dish, I will now attempt to make this dish to the best of my ability. Now, it's not going to be exact because we don't know the exact cheese or the exact bacon that the park uses, but this will be a very, very close replica of potato patch fries with cheese, bacon, and hopefully, if I can make it, gravy. Alright, so we're going to do the potato patch fries. So I got me some potatoes, I'm going to peel and cut. Got my bacon and my cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and get the Velveeta cheese out, which isn't exactly what Kennywood uses, but I'm going to go ahead and melt that. And then I'll come back and we'll peel the potatoes.
Alright, so Colton's having an issue right now. The potatoes aren't...
This peeler isn't what... I'm probably peeling it wrong. I'm going to have to do a YouTube video of how to peel. Oh, there we go. Got a little bit of peel action going on there. Ooh. Update. We actually got some fries going. So we got some chopping here going. We got the cheese melting, and then after I get this in the air fryer, I'm gonna get the bacon on.
Yeah, it's melting pretty well.
It'll be really thick potato patch fries, but I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna burn a little bit, but I'm gonna keep it stirred too.
Yeah. Do you want me to try to stir it while I'm not recording?
Yeah, please do.
All right, so right now we're melting the cheese, and I'm kind of stirring it whenever I'm not recording, and Colton is cutting up the fries, and he's almost done with.
I'm not going to use this last potato, I don't think. If you look in the air fryer, I already got the filled up. So we're going to go ahead and get these thrown in there.
Yeah,
we got to stir the cheese, we got the bacon going. I mean, look at that cheese.
Got the bacon starting to go, and now the fries are in the
air fryer. Man, we got potato patch fries very shortly, and yeah, we got it. Look at that cheese. We got our potato patch fries here. Now, we did not make the gravy to dip in them, but some people don't like the gravy anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get a fry. And wow, that is still smoking hot. We got some bacon on that bite, and we're going to take in. You can't get much more at-home potato patch fries than that. Man, that cheese, even though not as runny, with that good old Oscar Mayer bacon and them good fries, still gets the job done.
Jane, you ignorant slut.
Absolutely. Oh my god. Oh. Simon, I think we knocked this one out of Kennywood Park. Guys, I'd like to thank you for watching this little video. I'd love to do one of these again where I make an amusement park food. I don't really know of any other coaster YouTubers like me that do something like this, so I think we're going to do a little more. Maybe next time I'll make a coney dog. So, cheers to the food, and I will see you all next time.